Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a quick fix-it video on a wireless gaming mouse. It's the G602. It's right here, and I'm just going to show you how to fix this and how to get into the batteries if you need to know. So this thing really stumped me. It's not so intuitive as you would think. Like at first I thought the cover would come off or the top would come off or something. So really simple. Turn it over, turn off the switch, turn over the mouse, get like a little flathead screwdriver, just like this. Take the flathead screwdriver, and so not on the bottom here, but you want to go right here where this little gap is, and you want to take your little flathead and you want to go right there, and you just want to pry right there, and that little door is going to come down, and that's how you access the battery compartment on this particular mouse. You can get to your batteries right here, you can swap them out, and that's all there is to it on this mouse. Like, this thing was kicking my butt for a couple of minutes trying to figure out how to get into this thing. So hopefully this is a helpful video. Be sure and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.